Hello YouTube, it's Jake and Kyle again, and today we're going to be bringing you a tip, I guess, on your Mototec dirt bike, if you have it. A lot of people have been commenting the noise is really bad, and I do agree. We both agree the noise is really annoying. And our cousin recently, well, not broke it, but a piece came off, so we had to fix it. And me and my dad took a look at it, and we're super glad we did, because now we found a fix to the noise, or we believe a fix. And it's pretty simple, actually, like quite simple. So what happened was our cousin, when he was riding, I have no idea how, but this lock nut came off of the sprocket, and we couldn't find it. I mean, this is a new lock nut. If it ever does happen to you, it's just a lock nut. And then you put the sprocket back on. We couldn't find the lock nut that was from the original bike, and so we took that off and a bunch of other stuff, and we noticed in here that the chain tensioner was rubbing the chain against the metal piece right here, and if you get a look at it, under it, it's completely black, and we noticed that's the noise. The chain rubbing is the noise that really annoying noise that everybody's commenting on. So this chain tensioner, you can fix that by just pulling the wheel out. So I believe if you tighten or loosen it, either way, on back here, and make sure the wheel's still even, then it spins well. But you pull the wheel out, and it should tighten that chain so it's not rubbing on the metal, and the noise is so much better now. I don't know if the camera still is going to pick up the noise, as the camera always does, but you can hear it super better. And for the few of you that have commented on the noise, it's not nearly as bad in real life, and even now you can barely even hear that clicking anymore. It's more just of the actual motor now making that noise. So if you have this dirt bike and you do not like that sound, this is definitely something you'd want to do. Quick little note, as we were putting the covers back on here, we just wrapped up this video where we thought we were putting it back on, and this is the tool you'd want to use, a little Allen wrench. And then we were putting it back on, and we noticed that since you tighten it, the chain, or the bolt there, now sticks through. So what we did is we took a little hand sander, and we put a little hole there so the bolt fits through it. That might be something you need to do if you're going to tighten it like that. But now it fits perfectly, so that's also one thing you'd want to do. So we have a video we might want to do in the future. Our cousin got the Razor, I believe 650, so we'll do a comparison of all three up north. We'll do some time lapse, and we recently got a hoverboard for Christmas that has an attachment, so we're super excited to do that once summer comes so we can actually get a good review on it. For now we've just been able to ride it inside. But so if you want to fix this, go ahead, leave any comments or questions. I'll be happy to answer those.
Also, the sound is a little louder right now because we're not outside in the open space. We're kind of in a small basement.
It's echoing off the walls. But so please like and subscribe to this channel.